Right now, I am going to show you how to clean up a paint spill using the Bissell Green Machine carpet cleaner here. Now, you're doing projects, you're DIY, you're painting, it's bound to happen. You'll have a little accident, you'll get some paint on the carpet. Now, I'm going to show you actually how to clean up a really big spill, and then you can actually do this with any size spill as well. So first things first, we're painting, we're cruising, we're having a good old time, and we accidentally spill some paint. Oh man, yeah, that's pretty bad. And we get it pretty much all over the carpet here. Now, you're going to want to get at this quickly. The faster, the better. If you let this dry, well, now you're going to be in trouble, and it's going to be a lot harder to get out of the carpet if you can ever even get it out of the carpet. So that's a pretty big spill there, and not only that, you've smeared it in the carpet. First thing you want to do is dab it with a towel to get as much out as you can with just a towel. With an old towel, I just dab it here and kind of soak up the excess as much as I can. And now we don't have just so much globby paint on there. Okay, so I got some of it, but yeah, that is still really bad. So the Bissell Green Machine, I did a video on how to use this. I will link to that full tutorial on how to use it. But for now, I'll just give you the quick overview. It's got the suction head, some bristles here to agitate, and then it's got the spray nozzle. So it's going to get loud here when I kick it on, but I'm basically going to spray it down and get it nice and wet. Then I'm going to go over it and scrub it and suck up that paint. Here we go. So it's nice and wet. Now it's going to go suck up the paint. Do the same thing again, spray it down, get it really wet. Third time's the charm here. Get it nice and wet, so really soak it in. Get all those spots. And suck it up here. One last time for good measure. Spraying in different directions. And there we go. There you go, disaster averted. You've got the paint out of the carpet. Of course, remember, the faster, the sooner, the better. You need to get on it immediately to get that right out of the carpet. I'd go over this one or two more times if it was actually on the floor in my house. And then that is how you can clean a paint spill using the Bissell little green machine. This is a great tool for around the house. Now you'll want to clean this machine really quickly as well, because you see you've got paint in the head here as well. So you want to make sure that you clean it out quickly so that the paint is not in your machine. So there you go. That's another useful thing that you can do with the Bissell little green machine. If you like DIY around the house stuff, feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.